Ow. Bye. Harry Potter. Who is she?
She's my friend. I haven't named her His dirty fur touched me. Yeah. This is my friend, Hamilton. And this is my other friend, Gray. Oh.